Hello, in this video we're going to replace the airport card in a MacBook Pro 15-inch Core Duo computer. By now you should already have the top case off, so it should look something like this. The airport card is located right here, and you've done the hard part, so now it just comes down to basically removing some tape and a screw. So this tape is holding it on. And this little screw up here needs to come out. This bracket will just fall off, that's fine. The airport antennas need to come undone. Just pull those straight up. And there's the airport card. So you just put that back in and put it back together.